Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Alexa's Garden. How are you going? I hope you are doing well. In this video, I want to show you how I cut petunias, how I form petunias at the beginning of flowering. This year I am growing petunias from seeds. I have several types of petunias, several varieties. There are both ampullus petunias and bush petunias. I like the pastel color of petunias. This year I grow petunias in white, blue, lavender, but there are also bright flowers. These are red petunias. Blue petunias. For example, this is a red petunia, Opera Supreme. This petunia has a salmon color. Its name is Photo Finish Salmon. This is a very beautiful plant. It has just begun to grow stems. I also have several types of white petunias this year. For example, this is a white petunia with a green tint, Opera Supreme White, and an absolutely white petunia Photo Finish White. Why cut petunia? Why prune petunias? As a result of pruning, petunia haircuts begin to actively create lateral stems. The petunia bush becomes more voluminous and beautiful. More new stems will ensure that you have more buds and flowers. Petunia is a very hardy plant, but pruning and trimming reduce the immunity of the plant. So I cut the petunia gradually, in several stages. I cut no more than a third of the petunia stems at a time, cutting off only those stems where there are wilted flowers. For example, this is a petunia that does not yet have wilted inflorescences. I am not cutting this plant yet. And here is a petunia that already has a few flowers that have finished blooming, so I'll trim them. I will cut off the flower along with part of the stem. I will cut it with scissors. This cut will be next to the leaves to form new growth points for the petunia. In a few days there will be 2 new stems, which in just 10 to 14 days will show new flower stalks. My petunias grow in 5-liter or 2.5 US gallon garden pots. 1 plant is planted in each garden pot. If you like more abundant blooming petunias, you can prune the stems of the plant, leaving only 2 growth buds at the base of the bush. After such pruning, the plant will create new stems, but there will be 2 times more of them than before. Then, once these new stems have grown 4 more leaves, You can cut them off again and again, leave 2 growth buds on each stem where new young stems will form. After such pruning, the petunia bush will become more voluminous and will create many new flowers. However, you will have to wait at least 2 weeks to see the first bloom after this petunia plant pruning. To make the process faster, immediately after cutting, you need to feed the petunia plants with nitrogen fertilizers so that the leaf growth is faster. After pruning, petunias recover in about 2 weeks. Do I need to remove petunia flowers? Of course, be sure to do so. After flowering, petunias create seeds that stop the growth and flowering of plants. Therefore, I remove the flowers so that seeds do not form. The petunia flower must be removed along with the base of the flower so that the seeds form. The stem after removing the flower should be clean. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. This is very important for the development of the channel. See you soon!